All right, listen up, you clod. Crystal gems. I've made up my mind. I have something to tell you. Huh? Yeah. Fine.